Buonasera La Scuola. I'm speaking to you today from the beautiful art atelier at the middle school campus in the San Carlos building. The reason why I wanted to be here today is that we are launching our annual fund. If you're new to La Scuola, our annual fund is an opportunity to support the many wonderful things that are not covered by tuition, including our art programs, our music program, and most importantly, our sliding scale tuition program. This is the way we make La Scuola affordable for as many students as we can. And we are so grateful for your participation in this very important initiative. We're all in this together. This is a beautiful community of people who share values, a passion for education, and put children at the center of that education. So, grazie di cuore, gracias, thank you for whatever you can contribute, and have a wonderful week. Grazie mille.